everyone, my name is Yaqi. I'm an architecture computing student in University of New South Wales. This is a tutorial on how to make XML file to record data using flow graph. In this tutorial, the data is the velocity of the local player. The programs I'm gonna use are Sandbox2 and Notepad, which used to read the XML file. You can also use text editor or context. For this tutorial, I assume you have some basic knowledge of using Sandbox2. Before I start, I'd like to show you a generated XML file. I made it earlier. This is the root, and the root have a child called velocity, and velocity have a child called v, and this is the attribute ID. V had a child called current value, and this is the value, the second value, and this is the ID of the value. Now let's get started. Open Sandbox editor. Go to flow graph. Go to File, New, and save the document. I'll save the document to the desktop, and I'll just call it tutorial. Save it. Right-click to add node. First, we need a local player. Again, local player. And the physics dynamics to get the velocity and link them up. Then we need an input key. I'm gonna set the key to L. Then go to time, timer. Change the period to 1. Link from the key pressed to post. Then go to vector 3. Set vector 3. And link up. Then we need a vector magnitude vector 3 to transfer the vector to a single length value. Now we want to show the HUD message. Link to the trigger and message. Now we can create XML document. Go to XML, new document. Then we press key. When we press key, it will generate an XML file. Go to XML, new child, to add a child to the XML document. Name it velocity. Link from the success to execute. Then we need XML set value to assign value to the child. Link the velocity to the value. Then go to XML, save document, give the file a name. I'll just call it tutorial. And remember to include the extension .xml. Choose the mode filter because I want to keep my files together. Now we can jump into the word to text. I hit the L key. Open the mode folder. As you can see, the file has been generated. Open it. Here is the value. But we won't have more than one data, so go back to the flow graph. Add node XML open document. File tutorial.xml. We're going to add new child into this XML document. Choose the mode folder. And add node logic any. Another time delay. Link them up. So when we hit L key, it will open document every 1 second. Copy this to node and paste here. as we need velocity to update every 1 second as well. And then a node xml get child. Velocity. Link from the success to execute. And node logic ending. Link from the success. Now we need a new child. We call it V. And it node xml set attribute. We want to give an ID to each data. Call it ID. And then it node mass up down counter. I'm gonna set my height limit to 20, so the ID number will be from 0 to 20. Link them up. Add a new child, xml new child. Call it current value. Link it to the set value. We better keep these two nodes. Link from the file to execute. If the XML doesn't exist, it will create a new file. Before I test, I'm going to delete the old file. Yes, I want delete. Now jump into the Word. Open the mode folder. A new file has been generated. Open it. These are the data we want to see. It's done, chest. Hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you very much.